Having difficulties passing the NEBOSH exam? Don't worry. In this video, we'll share simple strategies to help you succeed and achieve your goals in 2024. Let's get started with the best tips to crack NEBOSH exam. Understand the exam structure. Firstly, you need to understand the structure of NEBOSH exam. Know the time constraints and the resources available to you during the exam. Familiarize yourself with the types of questions you'll face and how they are marked. This will give you a clear idea of what to expect and help you manage your time effectively. Master the key concepts. Focus on understanding the key concepts. The NEBOSH exam is all about applying your knowledge in real-world scenarios, so make sure you grasp the fundamental principles thoroughly. Don't just memorize. Aim to understand how these concepts are used in practice. Time management is crucial. Time management can make or break your exam performance. Practice answering questions under timed conditions to get a feel for the pace you need to maintain. Allocate specific times for each section and stick to it during the exam. Remember, every minute counts. Use the right study resources. Utilize the study resources provided by NEBOSH in the Knowledge Academy. Our free resources, including blogs, ebooks, and tutorials, are designed to help you stay ahead in your career. We also offer NEBOSH courses, which are perfect for those looking to dive deeper into NEBOSH and enhance their skills. Check out the links in the description for additional support. Practice. One of the best ways to prepare for the NEBOSH exam is by practicing. Try to answer as many past paper questions as you can. This not only helps you get used to the exam format, but also highlights areas where you need improvement. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Join study groups or forums. Studying alone can be tough. Join study groups or online forums where you can discuss difficult topics with peers. Sometimes talking through a concept with someone else can make it click. Plus, you'll get access to different perspectives and strategies. Seek professional guidance. If you're stuck or unsure about certain topics, don't hesitate to seek guidance from professionals. Tutors, mentors, or experienced colleagues can offer valuable insights and explain complex concepts in simpler terms. Revise and prepare notes. Lastly, revision is key. Go over all the topics regularly and prepare concise notes. Having a summary of key points can be incredibly useful for quick reviews before the exam. Ensure your notes are clear and well organized. And there you have simple yet effective tips to help you pass your NEBOSH exam in 2024. Remember, preparation is everything. Stay focused, manage your time wisely, and don't hesitate to use all the resources at your disposal. Good luck! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do check out the Knowledge Academy's courses for your career advancement. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.